Where'd you get it? Open it! Hey guys, welcome back to Mummy's YouTube channel. Today I got a Shein Haul which I ordered with my money because do not judge me. Now I want this open. Use your brain and grab scissors. Oh my god. Fine.
Don't cut your things.
No, just plastic.
Okay, first thing we got these two bracelets
It's nice,
and
no?
the joints. Yeah. Aww. So, anyways.
Yeah, it's nice.
Goodbye. Anyway, this is a top. I don't know if this will fit me.
It will.
That's nice.
It's like, yeah, like this.
And what about the back part? Same?
Yeah.
Oh, I like this design, you know?
Feel it.
V.
It's so soft.
It's nice.
Yeah. Anyway, this
Just open it.
is pants.
Yellow pen.
It's got a star on it.
I like it. Wow.
There.
Hmm.
And there's the back. It's cotton.
It has the elastic at the bottom.
No.
Yeah, elastic.
It's just kind of that cargo pants, no? I think.
Kind of thin cargo pants, but now the pockets are there, no?
Nope.
So you can just pull this.
You can make it smaller.
That's nice. I want one
What's
like
On
that.
the ground, then you throw it.
I want it.
That's just underwear. That's just underwear.
Oh, okay. I like this one, you know. Eliza, how much was this pants?
Oh.
Oh, it is has
Yeah.
smaller.
Yeah, you pull to make it bit tight.
Yeah.
How much was this?
Hang on, I'm finding it. This was $16.95.
Oh, okay.
But you're gonna get it.
Mm.
I can try to find it and add it.
Okay,
Oh,
it's nice. And also you got this one. Okay, so this is how it looks. Really, really pretty, Eliza. I like it. Oh my gosh, the top looks so sexy. So slaying, Eliza. Neck दिखाओ. Oh wow. Did the dancing? Turn around that side and do the dancing. Okay, that looks really pretty. You like it?
Yeah.
It fits really well, no? Size small.
X small.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.